Hey, it's Sari with Shelf Genie, and it was nice meeting you this morning. So I put together a quick YouTube video so you can get a better idea of how great Shelf Genie is going to look in your kitchen. So we'll start with the right side of your sink, and on the bottom, we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch high glide out that will fully extend. You'll have full clearance to pick everything up. And then above it, we'll go ahead and do another 2.5 inch high glide out. Once again, we keep that shelf in there for support. Underneath the cooktop, you have a center post. We'll go ahead and cut that center post, mount it to the inside of the left door, and we'll go ahead and do a 2.5 inch high glide out, and then another 2.5 inch. So you're going to gain all this space, about 22 inches of new space to store items like your pots and pans or your rice cooker. And then to the right of it, this is where you have your Tupperware. We'll go ahead and do a 5 inch high glide out with one divider. And that divider you can move to the left, to the right, or you can take it out and you can put it in here so you can have two dividers and you can stand up all your lids for your Tupperware. Then to the left of the wall oven, we'll cut that center post once again. So you're going to gain a lot of space. And we'll do a 2.5 inch high glide out and a 2.5 inch. And then above the wall oven, we're going to go ahead and do a divider shelf. And you'll have 7 dividers, 8 sections, and they'll be 3 inches apart. And you can take these dividers out. So you, instead of 3 inches, you'll have a 6 inch area. And then we'll also remove that center post in between the door. And then we'll go to the right side of your refrigerator. Same thing, you have a center post. We'll remove it, mount it to the inside of the door. And we'll do a 2.5 inch on the bottom and a 2.5 inch on the top. So that is your Shelf Genie project. You're doing the classic grade, which is a lifetime warranty. And just as a reminder, all of our glide outs hold up to 100 pounds. I'm going to go ahead and show you what your pantry would look like if you decided down the road to do it. But he will measure for it. We'll start right above the baseboard, get everything off the floor, and we'll go ahead and do a 5 inch high glide out that will fully extend. You can put water bottles in here, onions in here, whatever you need. And then a 2.5 inch for shorter items like peanut butter, jars, canned goods, and then a 5 inch and a 5 inch. You had a lot of tall bottles, and these bottles will support. And also you had some snack items, which we like to put right in this area. And then a 2.5 inch above. And then we'll go ahead and do a wood shelf, recessed wood shelf, stationary to store other items. Okay? So that's down the road. And right now you'll just be doing your kitchen area. And if you have any questions, feel free to call. But Bob should be calling you tomorrow to schedule for Thursday. All right? Take care, and congratulations on your wedding. And you guys have a great 4th of July weekend. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.